Welcome back to Turn 5. Today, we are going on an amazing drive with the Porsche Club of America. We are taking my 2014 Cayman S, and there are a ton of other amazing Porsches with us.
So the goal today is 0 speeding tickets
and not getting lost.
And 1,000 smiles.
1,000 smiles? Okay.
Let's get in the car and we will show you many of these cars on the rip, as the kids like to say. But for now, I will be the co-pilot and Tyler will be the driver.
Oh, that's not a good idea.
Maybe we'll switch it up. I don't know.
We're just gonna crash.
Let's get on the road. It is time to party. Here's our group here. We ended up being the sweeper, which means we are going to be the tail end of this group to make sure that we all stay together. Hopefully Tyler pushes them a little bit. But here's the view that you guys will be able to bask in. I really like that Miami blue 911. And we got a nice 996 turbo. Keep on making fun of Tyler because he, for some reason, didn't want to buy one. I mean, that's not the story he's going to say, but it's my story. And since I got the camera, it can be my story. Got a nice Cayman back here. Maybe I should jump in. One word of advice.
Go fast.
What do you think about the first few minutes?
I'm having fun so far.
Nothing but the speed limit.
Yeah.
It's kind of fun to be the sweeper.
It is. We get to ride the accordion effect because the group naturally spreads out a little bit and then we get to cruise back up to catch up to the main part of the group.
I don't know if this 992 is a S or a 4S. I'm assuming it is because it has some beans.
It is way faster than my 14 Cayman S, but we're going the speed limit, so it doesn't matter.
Limit is really fun today.
It sure is.
Man, this is fun. Whether you're with an organization like the Porsche Club of America or just driving with some buddies, there is nothing better than the feeling of being with like-minded petrol heads on the open road. Well, Ty, the first leg is done. 40 miles in, 40 miles to go. We got a fantastic group. This is our buddy in the GT4. Bucket seats, of course.
Oh, yeah!
There is group 3 coming in. Beautiful SC there.
To South Vincent Street, then turn right.
Just as we leave, they show up. The famous words of me, grip it and rip it. Seeing a string of Porsches in front of you is one of God's great gifts, really.
Is that what it is?
It is. We are stuck behind some traffic in front of us, but I think all 10 or 12 of us are together.
I think so too, which that means I'm doing a good job, I think. Even though I'm really just following the pack.
You've never been really good at house chores, so this is surprising to me. I would say you did a decent job sweeping today, Ty.
I would agree.
See if we can't capture some of these people turning at the lovely 45th parallel. Gonna have some pizza! I don't know, you probably can't even hear me because you're outside and I'm inside.
I can't stop. I can't stop. I can't stop. I'm on the road, eyes on the top. I can't stop. Straight to the top, straight to the top. I can't stop.
I do like that 3RS.
It is beautiful. I love it.
We drove that Cayenne Turbo GT today.
Briefly, we didn't make a video. We're sorry.
993 Turbo, beautiful. Targa.
Yeah, that's his dream car, is a Targa.
Targa GTS to be specific.
Yeah.
All right, let's park, let's eat, and have some more fun. Well, Ty, the day is wrapping up.
It is.
What do you think about our first Porsche Rally of the year?
It was a lot of fun. We got to meet some pretty cool people. We got to see some very amazing cars. And
Like Miami Blue, my favorite Porsche color. I can't even say it's my favorite Porsche color anymore because there's a lot of nice ones. Oh, we didn't show you the close 3RS view.
yeah,
I'll zoom in there. And what do you got? One more favorite? I mean, the Targa is obviously always my favorite.
that's obviously always your
Yeah.
favorite. I like the turbo over there, the 992 turbo.
Oh, not the 996, because I remember you didn't like 996s.
He's been doing this all day because I tried to buy a 996 turbo with the X50 power package, but I was unable to purchase it, and he keeps saying, oh, I bet you wish you would have actually wanted to buy a 996 turbo. I did.
Want to, but didn't. All right, and with that, everybody, thank you so much for tuning in. Look at that piece of eye candy back there. Awkward I-5.
See you later.